I'm excited that my higher power allowed me to see this new day. I woke up and I'm excited. I'm excited about what's to come.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nika. If you are new, hey girl, hey, welcome. And if you are returning, what's up, fly babe? Welcome back to my channel. For all of you that are new, or for those that just haven't subscribed yet and push that post notification bell, do so you don't miss when I drop that new heat. So as you may have seen in the title, we are unboxing our Boxycharm box. And guess what? I didn't open it. I waited to do this video. I've only did that one other time, but I've had this box for a couple days and I haven't opened it. That's really good for me because I'll be so thirsty that I literally open the box before I do the unboxing. But this time I'm seeing it first with you guys. Right. Let's see what we got here. First, the card. Okay. So this Boxycharm box is called Candy Shop. And let's see. Ooh. We got something from Beauty Baker up in here. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to just go with the first thing we got in here that I grabbed. This is the Luxie Wonderlust set. It's created eye-catching looks with a 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. This versatile collections include a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in the Luxie pouch for glam on the go. This is $40. This case though feels really nice. So I see why it's $40. Hold on. Oh, the plastic was right there. Let's see. Okay, yeah. I feel like I have these brushes already. But I like how this last one is tilted. If you can tell. See how it's tilted a little bit? So it's not straight on. So you get 5 brushes. It's an eye brush set. So more brushes. You can never have too many brushes, honestly. Those who have clients and stuff, you'll understand that. Even for yourself, shoot, you can't have enough brushes. So that was $40. Those of you who aren't familiar with Boxycharm, this box is $26. You get 5 products that are full size. And as you can see, this first product was $40. The next one is Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of capuchou butter, acai, and coconut oils. I'm pretty sure I pronounced that wrong, but you know, it is what it is. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip loving benefits that transforms dry, rough lips into the most moist possible with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. $20. They really be trying to, don't do me with these weirdo words. First of all, I love this little, this is cute. That's different. The packaging on it. And this is so matte. And then the way this cap comes off and you twist it up. That's really pretty. I'm sold on the packaging. $20. So, can't wait to try that. Love a good moisturized lip, okay? This here, Murad Moisturizer Cleanser, is an exfoliating cleanser, sorry. This multitasking cleansing exfoliant is ideal addition to your cleanser regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physically exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. This is $40. I've tried a few Murad products, but not this one per se. So, yeah. Your skin need hydration, so we'll see about that. Let's see. We got some lashes from Lava Lash. Have not tried their lashes before. I'll take them out of this little plastic so you guys can see. Get into this lash. Sorry about my voice too. It's going through some things. Okay, so they look like, oh, it comes with lash glue. Or no. No, it doesn't. That's just the paper. So they look like this. I don't know if you can see them. Look like that. These here, lightweight and fluffy handcrafted luxury lash. Our charm style blends seamlessly with your natural lash and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. These are $19.99. And last but not least, Beauty Baker. This is actually the first thing ever that I've had from Beauty Baker. Beauty Bakery. I do know they are Black owned. This is Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. I like the way this little case feels. This is cute. And it's these shades. Oh, I like the names. Yawning, Forehead Kisses, Pajamas, French Doors, Boo in a View, Messy Hair, Fresh Face, Cuddle Cakes, and Lazy Baby. Beauty Baker's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning melody of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up. This is $38. I want to swatch one of these or a few of these. Let's do Fresh Face. They're nice and creamy. That's Fresh Face. Let's do Boo in a View. They do seem pretty creamy, which is nice. And let's do Pajamas. They capitalized J on it. Pajamas. The swatches are nice so far. And let's do Lazy Baby. I just think when you add like a primer, that's Lazy Baby right there. So I'm happy about this box. It's not anything that I wouldn't try. So yeah, we will do I like to keep the stuff in the box. So then that way when I use it, you will know it's from this box. I still have some stuff from the Boxy Deluxe box as well. So yes, these are for the month of October. If you like to start your own subscription, I can leave the link in the description. It doesn't really do much, but it just gives you a link to it. And yeah, you can start your subscription. But anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, comment what you want to see on my channel, because I have, like, looking at my, the feedback from videos and stuff, it looks like y'all really be feeling my fashion videos. So I do want to put more fashion videos, but let me know if you guys like the unboxing. Is it something you want to see, or like you be like, nah, sis, save your time. We don't want to see it, and that's okay. Just let me know what y'all would like to see on this channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification bell. Until next time, you know my motto: slay, be beautiful, and arrive and leave your stamp.